Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. So in today's video, we're gonna be reviewing the Revolution Pro Hydra Matte Translucent Setting Ultra Fine Mattifying Powder with Hyaluronic Acid. I've seen this powder popping up in the commercials a lot and I literally couldn't wait to get my hands on it. And then I seen it in the shop. I got this in my local Superdrug, by the way. I was like, oh my god, I gotta try it, especially that it says Hydra Matte, so it's hydrating but matte. I mean, I got super oily skin. If you watch my videos, you know this already, and we're trying to find the product that works for oily skin, and sometimes we fail, but you know, life goes on. So I have already the foundation on and a little bit of a concealer under my eyes. I haven't set it yet. I did my eyebrows, by the way, using this Fill Fluff Eyebrow pomade by NYX. I use the color Espresso. So the full review video should be on my channel already. So I think without any further ado, we should set that foundation in because I applied the foundation already like 10 minutes ago. So if I haven't mentioned yet, Revolution Pro is owned by the Revolution. It's cruelty free and vegan friendly, which is amazing. The packaging to begin with, it doesn't look high street. I mean, it looks more of a high end, looks kind of powerful. So super reflective, like a mirror effect lid. Opening this up, I love that it has a lid big enough to put a powder in. It has like a seal on top because it's a brand new to keep the powder in. So there's like a little membrane going on in there, so it's easier to get the powder out. The option A would be you could take a powder brush and just swirl around in this membrane and then set it on your face. Or the option B would be put a powder in this lid. Option B would be more for the baking. Option A would be for the setting your foundation in. I'm gonna use the wet makeup sponge. I used this one today to apply my foundation, so it's still damp. I'm just gonna dab it into this powder. My god, my skin just sucked this in straight away. I think I need way much more product than this. So far, it feels amazing on the skin. I'm gonna leave it on for like 5 minutes-ish, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna do my eyes. I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection eyeshadow palette with the color called Irreplaceable. I'm just gonna go all over my lid. So a great thing while baking is to do your eyeshadow. If you have any fallouts, you can just easily wipe it off later to get rid of the excess powder. So next thing I'm doing, I'm taking a small lens brush and the color called Glam, and gonna go in the middle of my mobile lid, just highlight the middle part. Do kind of like a halo, but more simple way. Going close to the lash line, just in the middle, and then kind of dragging the color up higher than the creases a little bit so we can see this when the eyes are open. I'm gonna take another brush and this color called Sweet Lives and gonna go all over my lower lash line. And then taking the same dense brush and this Glam, the pressed foil, and gonna go again in the middle on the lower lash line and a little bit in that inner eye corner. So the eyes are nearly done, just to apply some mascara and that's it. So for the mascara, I'm gonna go with a Revolution Waterproof Mascara. And the mascara is on, so we're done with the eye makeup. Let's just wipe this powder off. I think we're definitely done baking. It feels so nice on the skin, you guys. Oh my freaking goodness. My skin feels super matte. I can't even find a word to describe this. I don't think my skin looked that matte ever. It doesn't feel like it will be like tightening my skin or anything like that. So far, I'm impressed. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna apply a little bit of the bronzer. Gonna use Mega Bronzer by Revolution in Cool. So I'm just gonna quickly contour my cheeks, my forehead, and my jawline and nose, and I'm gonna get back to you with the result. Alright, if you're thinking that I look anything different from a previous shot, it's because some time passed. Because I did my makeup. I mean, I finished up my makeup with doing some contouring and blushing and highlighting. And before, when I filmed, was nearly 9 a.m. in the morning. And now it's exactly 2. I don't know if you guys can see. A few hours passed. And I especially actually waited before filming this last bit of a video just to see how the powder would react with my super oily skin. And can you see this? Zero shine so far. I mean, how many hours from 9 to 2? Definitely by this point I would need to do some touch-up, some blotting, just to keep the oil in place, because my skin is just so oily. And I actually haven't used today a setting spray, because usually I go with the De-Slick by Urban Decay because it keeps, you know, the oil set in. But today I haven't used, just to see how this powder would work and if it's actually that Hydra Matte. The Hydra part should be hydrating, if I'm understanding this correctly, and the hyaluronic acid is the part that actually hydrates. So my skin doesn't feel dry whatsoever. I don't even know how to explain. You know, with some setting powders, especially if you're baking, it can get a bit like tense, and this powder doesn't feel like that at all. Like, I don't feel that I would have baked my skin, because with oily skin, your skin naturally thinks that it's too dry. That's why it's producing more oil. But I don't feel like my skin would be dry, and it's not oily at all. Like this part in here, my T-zone and the cheeks, like around the nose, that would be oily already, and I would definitely need to blot, fix it up a little bit. But hey, nothing happened. My skin looks perfectly matte. I mean, like, it looks super matte. It looks a little bit too matte maybe, because I'm not used to being that matte, because my skin is just so oily. So thumbs up for me for this Hydra Matte Translucent Setting Powder with Ultrafine Mattifying Powder with Hyaluronic Acid by Revolution Pro. Couldn't recommend this more. Guys, if you have oily skin like I do, like, this wasn't sponsored or gifted or anything by any means. Honest first impressions review. It worked for my super oily skin, so thumbs up from me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick review video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Honestly, that will help me a lot. You don't even know, I can't even stress this enough. And leave a comment down below. Let me know if you would like me to review something else on my channel that you have particularly in your mind, and I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Ciao for now.